Hey guys, my name is Robert Benjamin. I'm a paid media expert and entrepreneur, and in this episode I'm going to be sharing with you guys the top 5 trends that I'm seeing in digital marketing right now, my 2 cents on them, and what I think you guys should do about them. The 1, to help you grow your social channels, and 2, help you make more money online. But before I get into it, make sure you guys go smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and let me know in the comment section at the end of this video which one of these trends is your favorite and how you're going to take advantage of it. The first trend that I'm seeing is that influencers are making way less money. The reason being is that there are so many more of them now. It used to just be influencers on Instagram and they got paid a ton of money. Now with the advent of TikTok and YouTube really starting to blow people up, and also people like getting famous on Twitter, Facebook, all of these other different avenues, people just don't want to pay as much money for influencers. The platforms are really starting to mature now, with the exception of TikTok. But even on TikTok, so many people are getting famous so quick, and they're willing to take these really crappy brand deals where they're getting paid $100 for a post and they have millions of followers, and it's bringing down the whole entire ecosystem. So that's trend number 1, is that influencers aren't making anywhere near as much money from just posting on their social channels. To piggyback off of that, it doesn't work as well for brands anymore, especially right now on Instagram. If you were to give your product to a ton of influencers 2 years ago, it would have really helped you skyrocket your brand and take it to the top. Now with Instagram's organic reach only being like 2 to 5% on a really good post, you just aren't going to get as many people seeing it. You're not going to want to send your stuff to as many influencers because you're not going to get as much of a return. So it's really starting to die down as a channel. I don't think it's totally dead. I just think it's starting to mature, and there are a lot more influencers who are willing to do a lot more for less. And right now we're at a really big pickle because Instagram and Facebook, their organic reach is tanking and TikTok is taking off, but TikTok is not at a place yet where people could start to make a lot of money off of it by selling stuff online. The second trend that I'm seeing is that everybody's giving out their phone number, whether it be a brand or an influencer. People are giving out their phone number because, think about it, if somebody texts you, you're gonna look at it, you're gonna answer it. If somebody emails you or they put something out on a social channel, odds of you seeing it or reading it or engaging with it are slim to none. Text message gives the influencer, the brand, the best opportunity for you to actually engage with them. So that's why they're giving out their number, to try to get your number. It's also something that doesn't change a lot. When's the last time you changed your phone number? For most of you guys have probably never changed your phone number before, but you've been on several social platforms, you've had several emails, etc., etc. That's why they're doing this. The way that they're doing this is through 2 different apps. One of them is called Superphone. You have to pay for it. It does get really expensive as you have a ton of contacts, but my thinking is that once you have a ton of contacts like that, you're probably making enough money off of them that you can pay Superphone for it. The second way is through the app Community, which is the app that you see a lot of people using, like Gary Vee. But the way that you get into this is, 1, you have to be invited into it, or 2, you have to get put on like a wait list and they'll maybe pick you to join it. I haven't gotten picked yet. I have 300,000 followers. The third trend that I'm seeing, and I'm sure that you guys saw this coming because the first 2 kind of relate to this, is Instagram is totally dying, guys. They want to get rid of likes. Organic reach has gone to crap. The ads on the platform aren't as good anymore. I'm not saying Instagram's worthless now, but it's definitely worth a lot less than it was a year ago. I see this with influencers that I work with. I see this with brands that I'm working across. The platform is really dying. Yes, you guys are still spending a lot of time on it, but you guys aren't seeing content that people are putting out, and it's really become a pay-to-play space. That being said, I don't suggest that you guys just completely abandon Instagram, but make sure if you do have Instagram, if you have a lot of followers on Instagram, if you do a lot of business through Instagram, you guys need to start diversifying. Get their phone numbers, get them on TikTok, get them on YouTube, spread them out, and make sure that you guys will still have contact with them even after Instagram's organic reach drops even more. The fourth trend, and I don't expect this to go anywhere at all, guys, I think this is going to continue to get worse and worse because the platform is maturing, is that the cost of Facebook and Instagram's ads have skyrocketed. It's gone up almost 50% from 2018 to 2019. I expect it to go up even more in 2020. Right now, there are only 342 unique users on Facebook, which has billions of users per advertiser. This means that a ton more people are advertising on there, which is inevitably going to raise the costs. And guys, let's face it, people are spending less time on Facebook and Instagram, so less people are going to see things, which is, you're lowering the supply and you're increasing the demand, which is going to cause the price to skyrocket even more. So make sure you guys are taking precaution against this. This is really the theme of the video. Make sure you guys are diversifying everything across your guys' digital portfolio so that you guys aren't super dependent on only one platform. My 5th and final tip for you guys is TikTok. 1.5 billion downloads across the whole entire world. Insane amount of reach. I have 300,000 followers on TikTok, which is insane. It literally happened overnight. This is your guys' opportunity. I don't care if you want to be a musician, a news anchor, the singer, an actor, a comedian. If you guys want to be anything, if you want people to know who you are, or maybe you want your friends to think you're cool, get on TikTok right now. The 2 objections that you guys can have to it is, 1, your demographic isn't there, or 2, you just think that the platform isn't mature enough. But guess what, guys? The stars that really blew up on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, they were on it before it really hit the mainstream, and TikTok is about to do that, I think, guys. They just have to not mess up the platform and have to build a great ad product product, and I really think that this app can take over Instagram and Facebook and become a staple in our society. Hopefully it doesn't die like Vine did, but who knows. Nevertheless, guys, they're giving out free followers. You need to get over there right now. I don't care if you're a brand, if you want to be somebody famous, or if you're just a normal person. They have funny videos. Go check them out. Make sure you guys go download TikTok right now. Also, I need you guys to subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section below what was your favorite trend, what you guys are gonna do about that trend, or if you guys, thought of another emerging trend that I didn't talk about in this video. Let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna be answering everybody. Thank you guys so much.